What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is shop day. We've got all kinds of projects going on, and you saw the episode a while back. We're putting this car back together. Look at that pretty 2-valve all ready to go. Cleaned up. Have to drop that in here. Get this GT rocking and rolling. But for you 2-valve guys, I've got some more love here for you. And of course, from LMR, I'm about to show you the goodness, guys. As you know, the New Edge had kind of a hard life, and we're bringing it back slowly but surely. So I guess I'll call this kind of stage 2, but we're fixing a lot of the little junk that a lot of these cars have that, you know, because they're getting older now. You know, little stuff that's breaking and wearing out that you can fix on the cheap. LMR's got the stuff in stock. You don't have to put up with crappy stuff. So let's get after it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, and again guys, this car's got a long way to go, but you can see how bad this steering wheel has just been cooked from the sun. The leather's all cracked and like goo comes out of it when it gets real hot, and that pisses me off because the things that you touch the most in your car are the steering wheel and your seats. So today we're gonna solve that. That's gonna be problem numero uno that we're solving. And wait for it. Yes sir, boys. I'm freaking excited about this. I've always wanted to do this. This is the FR500 style steering wheel from LMR. You can see it's got the perforated leather here, then the Alcantara here, and then it's got the little red stripe on the center there. And it's thick, like it's got a big grip to it. So the way you swap a steering wheel out, and it's not very hard, you got these little round plugs on the back, pop those out, and then you got two 10mm nuts. You pull the airbag out, then you got a nut behind it, and then you take off your cruise control buttons. Boom, steering wheel swapped. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so with the airbag out, again, no trouble, you just got one plug right there. So, next on the list, you need to undo your cruise control buttons, take those off, unplug those, and then your bolt right here, halfway home. All right, boys, it's in. It's friggin' in. Oh, it's so nice. That feels freaking great. Absolutely love it. I freaking love it. All right, next project. So the next project. I
ripped the wrong piece.
Hey, careful there. Yeah. I've never done this before, so we're gonna learn together. I guess you pop. Yeah. Oh, pop these little pieces out. And basically it's this trim all the way around. You can see the window was jacked up, which is not anymore. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
And it tore that trim all up. So now we're gonna replace this. I've never done it before, but it's simple enough. Yeah, we got hatch straps.
Hey, yawn on them.
Yeah. Oh, maybe just a little help. This door is a little jacked. All right, guys, we're gonna pop these off here. All right, we're knocking 2 projects for one. So if your trunk doesn't stay up, because these are hydraulically assist, just hit up LMR. They're cheap, and then you won't have to carry around a 2x4 to hold your trunk up. We have like, what, 5-minute install, if that?
And please do, you know, especially for your hood.
Yeah. Yes, for your hood, definitely. That's up next. Right now, we're just trying to fix everything that's broken. All right, so this, we got all our little trim pieces out. Well, I saved one for your viewing pleasure. Pop all those out. There it comes. It's just that easy. And you guys, you have no idea how much decent weather stripping will make your car a lot better to drive, am I right?
Yes.
No wind noise and all that crap.
SP the house.
Yes, SP the house. All right, look at there, freaking out. What we got now is it's up. Hey, we're doing wheeler dealer stuff today. This is awesome. All right, so I'm gonna get these out of the bag. We'll get these on. Again, LMR for the win. Straight out of the bag, it's already got the little push pins in. So basically all you do is just push it in. Check it out.
What,
It come with all the push pins already in it.
fresh and new.
So you literally just put it up there, push them in.
It's
And,
like you get the wrong side.
yeah, I just pulled this one out just randomly. Looks pretty good though.
Yeah, we'll take it to the...
Yeah, I'm gonna put this one back up here.
When I
And
get a new age, you'll know how to work on it.
yeah, we gotta help the new age homies out too, you know. And plus, I'm tired of the horrible wind noise. All right, let me get this one in. All right, job well done. It looks great. You can tell it now. Windows roll up and seal nice. Through here. Yes. No more wind noise. And I'm gonna tweak on it a little bit. I think I need to pull some of this out, but yeah, it looks freaking great, guys. And of course, the new steering wheel. One more thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put door pins on it. I'm not gonna mess with those. If you haven't seen a video doing those, they're right there. And it's a pain in the ass. And there'll be a lot of cussing, so. But anyway, look at there. We got a nice seal now. Yeah, I'm gonna tweak on that a little bit. Just a little bit. We'll see how it looks on the other side with it rolled up, but just little simple stuff, y'all. Make your car look 100% better. Yeah, when you go back, guys, you'll have to mess with them because it didn't get it 100% perfect the first time, but we'll fool with that later. All right, boys, so that's pretty much it. Trunk fixed, new steering wheel on, new weather strips on, just a little at a time. A little bit at a time. And we got brake lines in from Scram Speed. Looking good. Dover, how close are we on this thing?
I was getting her.
Almost. We haven't showed the inside in a while. But it is
Shifter's done, working.
shifter is in and hooked up. I'm telling you guys. All the little details, that's the killer.
Yeah. They pulled the shifter in and out multiple times. It's
Yes.
done.
She's almost there. All the hatch is all upholstered and looking good. So yeah, guys, there you go. Hope you enjoyed that. Obviously, we've got lots coming for all of these. All of them. Actually, probably saying bye to this one pretty quick, but
Yeah, pretty much.
yeah, other than that, guys, that's pretty much what I got for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. I like doing these little new age projects, showing the new age guys, hey, make your car better. You don't have to deal with all the crappy stuff that gets old and wore out. So if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.